So far we have considered the time temperature transformation diagram for the case of eutectide steels. Now let us see how the time temperature transformation diagram will vary for the case of hypoeutectide steel and hypereutectide steels. Now recall the phase diagram of iron carbon or steel phase diagram where the carbon composition is 0.8 weight% of carbon. This is what we have discussed so far. Whereas any alloy composition less than 0.8 weight percentage of carbon is called the hypoeutectide steel. Now let us consider this composition which is less than 0.8 weight% of carbon. For this composition, the equilibrium transformation happens at eutectide temperature Te. Now it may be represented with this eutectide temperature as A1, and where the gamma start from transforming to alpha. Now this is represented with temperature of A3. As we cool along vertical line, at this temperature alpha starts precipitating from gamma. As we see, here are the two critical temperatures, A1 and the A3 temperature for this alloy. These temperatures are also reflected in the TTT diagram. So here we have, this is the phase diagram, and correspondingly we have the time temperature transformation diagram. We draw horizontal lines corresponding to the critical temperatures. This is A1 and A3. Similarly, at lower level, we draw the lines for the case of start of martensite and finish of martensite. Then we have two corresponding transformation C curves, just like for the eutectide steels. And behind these curves we have the alpha plus Fe3C. However, above the nose is we have perlite, and below the nose we have the bainite. And similarly, between the start and finish of these curves, these C curves, we have alpha plus perlite above the nose, and we have alpha plus bainite below the nose. Now considering the phase diagram, the stable phase of gamma is above this A3 temperature, and below the A3 we have unstable phase of alpha. However, we see the independent ferrite starts forming below the temperature of this A3 for the case of hypoeutectide steels. So between A3 and A1 a corresponding line in TTT diagram is required to represent this transformation. So this line will start from the nose of the start of this perlite and go to the A3 temperature. So this is alpha start for hypoeutectide steel. In between we have the gamma plus alpha, and the proeutectide alpha will continue here also alpha, and finally we will have this perlite plus alpha. So when we quench and hold the temperature above the nose, we get this perlite plus alpha, and once we quench and hold the temperature below the nose, we get this bainite plus alpha. Now we will see exactly the similar situation for the case of hypereutectide steel. Here again we have, this is the phase diagram for hypereutectide, and correspondingly we have the time temperature transformation diagram for hypereutectide steels. Now here if we see this vertical line, now here we have the composition which is greater than, the composition is greater than 0.8 weight percent of carbon, or we may write this is greater than Ce eutectide composition. This is the eutectide composition. Now vertical line shows the composition which is right side of the eutectide composition. Here the boundary between gamma and this gamma plus cementide Fe3C is represented by ACM cementide, and this is, we have the same as A1 temperature, the eutectide temperature. These two temperatures are also shown on the TTT diagram with corresponding lines, as this is A1 and this is ACM. Also we have the horizontal lines for the case of martensite start and martensite finish. Similarly, we have two curves for the start of the gamma plus perlite, gamma plus bainite, and this is the region that is we are having alpha plus Fe3C. So again we will have the stable phase which is above this ACM temperature for gamma, and below this we have unstable gamma phase. Now again we have to extend this line from the nose to ACM, and here we are going to get gamma plus Fe3C, and similarly in between we are going to have this Fe3C, and at the end we would be having the perlite plus Fe3C above the nose of the C curve, and below the nose of the C curve we would be having bainite plus cementite Fe3C. This is how the time temperature transformation diagram changes for the case of hypoeutectide and hypereutectide steels.